Hello, welcome back. So, this will be a short introduction to the Qlik API. Okay, so as you can see, this table I'll just okay. So, I hope it is visible. So, these are the capability APIs, and it is around 22. Okay, and only the open app method is the one which is not used in widgets. Else, you can use everything in widgets also, as well as in mashup. But I'll just update one more thing. So, current sheet ID is not available in go to sheet, will not be available. Next, previous will not be available. So you need to understand one thing that mashup and widgets. Widgets are basically objects which is within the app sheet. Okay, you are creating one sheet, you are adding those objects, you are adding your own expressions and all. Okay, so this is basically an object, and mashups is something that will call those objects into a whole new web page. Okay, the that page will be customized by your preference, by your case, by your scenarios. And let's say, but we'll go, deep into those scenarios. Basically, with the mashup in the mashup tutorial. Uh, but we are here for the widget, so I'll just hide this. So in widgets, we cannot use open app, but we can use clear. That will clear all the selections, clear other, that will clear field. I mean, let's say we'll see this in working also, but I'll just make one more header completed. Okay, so what is completed? Yes, this is completed. Okay, so I showed you clear all on clear all method in the last session. So if you missed it, I'll highly recommend it. Recommend to you to see that video again. Okay. So there is clear all, lock, unlock, select. So I'll just do one more thing. I'll just say API name. Okay. No, sorry. API name. So I'll just add in the name of API, which is field API. Okay. So from here to here, it's field API. Okay. So these all belong to field API. Now toggle select also. Now this is navigation API. Okay. This is variable API. So these are the most highly, highly used APIs with when you are making a widget or a mashup. Okay, so so we'll go ahead and make a quick example of field API. A clear. I'll just show you clear again. Clear other, lock, unlock. Okay, select all alternative exclusive possible. Okay, these selections. So it is around 8. So we can clear 8 of the methods from the capability API today itself. Okay, so I'll just yes. Okay, okay, select clear, select all. Okay, 8 of them today itself. So let's go with the first one, which is clear. So I have made a button. So what I'll do is I'll remove uh, this C. I don't need this anymore. Okay. So this is for the clear. It's app.clear all. So I'll write the method itself in the Excel. Okay. And it says clear others. So when I go to clear others, I'll show you the API also with it. So here comes clear other. Okay. So in clear other it says Qlik, then app, field, clear other with the soft lock. Okay. So we just need to add this. So instead of this field last name, it will clear all the other fields. Okay. Let's say I'll make another button for it which says clear others. Okay. I'll just add in the field name and the clear other option. Okay, like this. That's just copy and paste. So I don't have the last name, I'll say zone. Okay, over here I'll just remove this. I'll add one more field here, demonstration purpose. Okay, I'll hit save, I'll refresh, I'll add this. I don't need to add this. So I'll select category, I'll select zone. Okay, now it says clear other. Instead of zone, all the fields will be cleared. See, yes, this is what we want. So if there is a scenario where you want to clear other fields instead of one field, instead of a one field, you can do this action. Okay, so you can use this. Then comes lock. So lock method will basically lock your selection. Okay, lock. Yes, lock. Okay, this will lock your selection. Okay, so it says field name and lock. Okay, just lock. So I'll say lock. I'll just say zone. I want to lock my zone, but with the same way, I'll just say lock. I'll copy this, I'll paste it again, and I'll say unlock. Okay, unlock zone. I'll refresh. I'll test it again. Clear the lock zone. See, it's locked, and I'll unlock it. Now it's unlocked. So this is a very handy features. You can make all these features. So unlock and lock. So I'll just add it into the Excel also. So instead of zone, you need to add your own field. Okay, so there will be a question how you can add a custom field, make a property and you can add it from here. I'll show you in the next session, but for this session, just bear with me. Okay, now select all method. Select all is same like the select. It will select all the fields, all the values in the fields. See, it's as simple as that. So I'll just say I'll copy this, paste it again without the semicolon. Instead of unlock, select all in zone. Okay, I'll make some copies. I'll refresh. Select all zones. Perfect. So if you have selected one, still it will select all. Let's take a scenario where your field is locked. Now you want to select all. See, it's not going to select. Okay. So this soft lock, right? This this you can try this soft lock. So let's say I'm tweaking this to through soft lock. I'll refresh, select all, fine, I'll lock, select all. Now you get a idea what soft lock will do, right? It will override, okay, the lock method. It will just ignore the lock, okay. So this is what soft lock does. So be careful if you are using soft lock, okay. Now I think it's alternative excluded possible, okay. So alternative, you can get all these methods in one line. So just need to copy and paste everything. It is very easy to do. Paste, select alternative. I'll just copy, paste. I'll just go to possible values also. And this is excluded. Then possible. Yes, possible. Okay. I'll copy this again. I'll go down. I'll use the soft lock again. Okay. So a soft lock is also uh, can be used with the APIs also. So okay. So ignore all these buttons. All lot of buttons here. I'll refresh. See, we have a lot of buttons. So what I'll do is I'll comment the previous one. So if you don't know how you can comment in HTML, it is very simple. See, I don't need this CSS, I don't need this preview. This also. See, this is how you can comment. Okay, I'll save, I'll refresh. Okay, so possible values, right? So let's take some fields, category, city, country, data. Okay. Okay. Yes, relation is there. So I have given a field where zone is there. Okay, I think select possible, select alternative and zone, right? So yes. Okay. So I'll say select alternative in zone. That means it will try to select something, but it is not there, right? So I'll do this. Select alternative. See, it has taken an alternative. Ah, with the soft lock. Okay. It is okay. I have not changed the option here. Sorry for the text. Okay. I'll take these also. I'll just say HTML break and I'll demonstrate once again. Alternative excluded possible. Okay. I'll refresh. Okay. So I'll say zone 1, select alternative. See, alternative has selected 2 and 3. It was selected 1 earlier. See, okay. 1 it's come to 2. Now I'll say select excluded. It will select 1 again. Okay. select possible values. So possible values, I think it will not select the possible actually. Wait, see this. These are all possible values. Okay, so let's say I'm saying dealer. Okay, city, no, no, dealer. Select possible, and it will select zone one. See, because the field zone is passed, right? Now with the soft lock, if it is soft lock, it will work fine. If it's not lock, it will still work. Okay, it will just ignore the lock. If you don't want the lock, then you can just use this. If your field can be locked, then you have to use these. You have to just pass option of true and false. Okay. So possible is also done. So in the next session, I'll talk about the select method, match, and values. So values is something we are not going to use. Okay. But match is something we are going to use. Okay. Match. Select match with and I'll just show you toggle select also. Okay, and the field will be done. Okay, so I'll meet you in this next session. Thank you.